Ever wondered how to handle a sudden injury in the wilderness where the nearest help could be miles away? In the vast expanse of nature, having first aid knowledge becomes crucial. So today we're diving into some essential emergency first aid tips for common outdoor injuries, ensuring you're prepared no matter where your adventures take you. First on our list is dealing with cuts and scrapes. These are quite common and can happen anytime, anywhere. Start by cleaning the wound with clean water to remove any dirt or debris. Then apply an antiseptic to prevent infection. Next, cover the wound with a clean bandage or dressing, applying pressure if needed to stop bleeding. Remember to change the dressing daily until it heals. Next, let's tackle sprains and strains, another common outdoor injury. Begin by resting the injured area to prevent further damage. Then use a cold pack or ice wrapped in a cloth to reduce swelling and numb the pain. After 20 minutes, remove the cold pack and rest the area. Repeat this process every 2 hours for the first 1 to 2 days. Support the injured area with a bandage or brace and keep it elevated as much as possible. Moving on to insect bites and stings. Start by removing the stinger if it's still present, using the edge of a credit card to scrape it out. Then clean the area with soap and water, followed by applying a cold pack to reduce swelling. Apply an over-the-counter hydrocortisone cream or calamine lotion to relieve itching and redness. Lastly, let's talk about hypothermia, a serious risk in colder climates. Start by moving the person to a warmer place if possible. Remove any wet clothing and replace it with dry, warm clothes or blankets. Give the person warm, non-alcoholic beverages if they are conscious. Remember, in severe cases, seek immediate medical attention. In summary, for cuts and scrapes, clean and bandage the wound. For sprains and strains, rest, ice, compress, and elevate. For insect bites, remove the stinger, clean the area, apply cold pack and hydrocortisone cream. And for hypothermia, move to a warm place, change into dry clothes, and provide warm drinks. First aid in the wilderness is all about being prepared and knowing how to respond. So equip yourself with these tips and you'll be ready to face any outdoor adventure with confidence. Stay safe out there.